You know that feeling, right? You wake up and it's like your body has just turned to stone overnight. Well, today we're going to dive into exactly why that happens, and more importantly, how a simple, ancient ritual can help you get back that fluid, easy movement you probably remember from your 20s. So let's pull back the curtain and figure this out.
It's such a universal feeling, isn't it? That groan you make when you first get out of bed, or that creakiness you feel after just sitting at a desk for a while. We've all been there, but what's really going on inside our bodies to cause it?
You know, the first thing we do is point the finger at our joints. We tell ourselves, oh, it's just wear and tear, or, well, I'm just getting older. But what if that's not the whole story? What if the real source of our stiffness is kind of hiding in plain sight, and our poor joints are just taking all the blame?
All right, it's time to meet the true masterminds behind that stiff feeling. We're talking about a biological fabric you might have never even heard of, but trust me, it holds the key to unlocking your body's natural mobility. Let's talk about fascia.
So what in the world is fascia? Okay, imagine a single continuous web that runs through your entire body. It wraps around every muscle, every bone, every organ. I mean, it goes all the way down to the cellular level. Think of it like your body's internal joint coating. It's the stuff that allows everything to glide and slide smoothly against each other.
Now, this is where it gets really interesting. Look at the difference here. When your fascia is healthy and hydrated, it's supple and fluid. That means you get those smooth, gliding movements. But when it becomes stagnant, because we're not moving enough, it gets sticky, stiff, and even brittle. That sticky feeling, that is exactly the stiffness you feel in the morning.
And listen, this isn't just some brand new biological discovery. This idea of keeping the body's internal web fluid, well, it's been practiced for centuries. And there's one group of people in particular who are absolute masters at it.
Over in Okinawa, Japan, a place famous for how long its people live, they have this deep, inherent understanding of this concept. They practice something they call the hydration repair cycle. And no, it's not about chugging more water. It's about using specific, gentle movements to literally pump fluid through this internal system, keeping it supple and ready to go.
And the results? They're just staggering. I mean, in Okinawa, it is totally common to see people maintaining incredible mobility and fluidity well into their 90s. They are living proof that feeling stiff and creaky is not an inevitable part of getting older. So, the big question is, how can we apply this ancient wisdom to our own lives? Well, it all comes down to a really simple but powerful practice called the 5 gates ritual.
This is a straightforward ritual designed to unlock the 5 most important mobility points, or gates, in your body. By focusing on just these key areas, you can rehydrate your entire fascial network and bring back that smooth, gliding motion.
And here they are, the big 5, the ankles, knees, hips, spine, and shoulders. The ritual itself is so beautifully simple. For each of these gates, you just perform slow, circular micro-movements. Seriously, just imagine drawing small, gentle circles with your ankle and then your knee. This isn't about big, aggressive stretches. It's all about this subtle, targeted motion. A great way to think about it is like gently squeezing a sponge. You're wringing out the old, stagnant gunk from your fascia and allowing fresh hydration to flow right back in.
So, we've basically uncovered the real source of stiffness and learned a simple, time-tested way to deal with it. This changes everything, right? It's not about fighting against your body anymore. It's about working with it.
So if you take one thing away from this, let it be this. That feeling of stiffness, it is not a life sentence. It's not a sign that your body's breaking down. It's just a signal, a little message from your fascia telling you, hey, I need some gentle movement to get hydrated and healthy again. Okay, so let's quickly recap what we've learned. First, start thinking about your fascia, not just your joints. Second, remember that true hydration for this tissue comes from gentle, daily movement, not just from drinking water. And finally, small rituals like the 5 gates, when you do them consistently, are what create that profound, lasting change.
So now you have the map. You know the 5 gates that hold the key to feeling fluid and mobile again. The only question left is, where are you going to begin? Which gate will you choose to open up first?